You gotta be kidding me.
Spider-Man! Oh my God, this is it! Tell everyone to hang on! Raise your down!
Use the webs, man! Use the webs! That's webs!
Any more bright ideas?
I got a few. Yeah.
Yeah, do it. Have some more. Great. Yes! Yes! I love it!
Oh, watch out!
We're slowing down.
I want to see someone watch this scene and not make a face because that just makes her like.
I could have sworn I've seen this happen. Is it Tom? Oh no. Oh, somebody catch him. Yes.
Oh, and they saw his face. And everyone is so sweet.
Train too from the tension.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I feel that.
This is kind of cool.
This is such a beautiful scene.
Yeah. Taking care of him as well.
That's cute, but now everyone knows his identity.
Slower, gently.
I mean, New York's a big place, so we can trust
Is he alive?
to not take pictures.
He's kind heart.
Someone should check a pulse.
Just a kid.
Oh, yes.
No older than my son.
Imagine realizing that, right?
No.
It's just
so bizarre.
Oh, man.
All of you.
He's got a lot of shit weighing on him, man.
Yeah. About that.
You gotta go.
Everyone knows how I look like.
Did you guys not?
It's all right.
We found something.
What did you find?
I found your mask.
That's good.
Got his mask.
Christ, nobody
You guys
said
saw that on stage or no? Did it
We
keep a
won't
secret?
tell nobody.
Did it keep a secret?
Right?
No way, that's
You're back too, man.
Hey, Spider-Man's a white dude with brown hair.
So
20s in New York, blue eyes. Yeah. Like
You know, weirdly though, I do feel like
Smart.
in this situation,
Spider-Man.
I feel like they would definitely like be real and keep it real. Like, like what the fuck? Like, why would we snitch on you? Like, tell you your identity? Like, you dead ass safe.
adore people. So powerful. I really.
I love how they look.
What you want?
He's mine!
Anyway,
That is the shortest moment, asshole.
You want to get to him, you gotta go through me.
Joey Diaz.
And me.
He's a comedian.
And me to do it. Oh no.
I just know Joey Diaz. He knows what
Very well.
Regular people.
Are you serious? It's a really nice gesture, guys, but it's over. It's over. Okay.
That's so sweet.
Normally in any other film, like the math is like against people that like.